Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a very much needed kitchen clean with me video, and I also wanted to go ahead and take the time to thank you guys for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. You guys have no idea what this means to me. I am truly thankful and happy that my channel has reached such a huge milestone, and I have you guys to thank for that. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support my channel, for continuing to watch my videos. You guys have no idea what that means to me. So I want to go ahead and thank you guys once again for all of your support. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
So the first thing I did was I started to just gather all of the dirty dishes and put everything in the sink, and then just kind of pick up all the loose ends around the kitchen. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while now, you know that I do still hand wash my dishes, and I place the dishes on my left side of the sink when I'm done cleaning them. But I had been noticing that there was a funky smell coming from the garbage disposal. So I used the sink and disposal cleaner from Odorklenz, and you guys know I'm all about non-toxic cleaning products, especially because I have 2 little ones at home. And this is non-toxic and it's safe to use around your family and also your pets. And it is made from safe earth minerals, and it's super easy to use. All I did was use about a half a cup, and then I went ahead and poured that down the sink, and I waited a few minutes before I rinsed down the sink and turned on my garbage disposal. So I'm all about time, you guys, and this was super fast and easy to use. And because I am pregnant, I have to be super careful with strong scents, and I was surprised that this had none. So when I poured it down my sink, there was no masking agents, and I was really impressed on how it made that nasty scent go away, and it really absorbed that scent that was coming through, especially from washing all those dishes and all that food that goes down the disposal. Mamas, you know what I'm talking about. So if you guys are having a similar issue with that funky, gunky, smelly garbage disposal, I suggest that you guys give this a try.
I don't wanna waste my time.
And once I was done wiping down my sink and cleaning the dishes, I went ahead and repeated the same steps with Odorklenz on this side of the sink.
You watch me across the room. Your glances tells me that I am doomed. Is there a way to cool you down? Just one mistake and I am out. It's my fault. I'll give you my heart. You can crush it. Moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm 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 waving the white flag, yeah. It's my fault. Moving on if you want it. I surrender to you. I'm waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, So don't, please don't let them get in your head, Fight another day, I know it's worth it.
And once I was done wiping down everything else, I started to clean my kitchen cabinets. And these are really hard to maintain and to keep clean, especially because I have little sticky fingers and handprints that like to touch them. So I have to clean these very often. And you'll notice that I didn't clean all the way on top of the cabinets because, as some of you may know, I am pregnant. So I didn't want to risk myself getting up there and hurting myself. So that's why I only did it as far as I could reach.
So don't, please don't let them get in your head,
And then the last thing I did was vacuum and mop the floors.
They don't know you like I do. Like I do. They don't know you like
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys again for all of the support, and I'm sending you guys all a huge hug, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.